Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking diecast skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the eye area first. So we're going to start out with in the middle of the eye actually. So we're going to draw a small little rectangle, and then from there we can give, this is going to be his brow. Just kind of go up. Okay, after that we're going to draw the eyeball itself. So we're just going to come across, and we can just kind of draw two lines like this first, and then we'll come down, and then we'll kind of go slant downwards, and then we're going to go up, and then just kind of close it off. So it's a little bit angular because it's kind of like a cyborg almost. Okay, so from here on the brow area we're going to come down, and then we're just going to kind of slant it and connect it to the corner of the eye. So we're going to come down and just slant and connect it. Okay, and then for his eyeball itself, we're just going to draw two little smaller dots. So it's very mean looking. Okay, so from here we can come down and draw the nose. So just kind of come down, and you can draw two lines like this and just kind of come inward. Okay, and then up here, just draw, kind of hook it back up a little bit. Alright, and then from here we can draw his mouth. So we're going to keep going down. Just going to draw one line. And then his lower lip, we're going to draw another line. And then on the top, the upper lip, we'll just draw two little peaks. Okay, so now let's add in some of the really cool lines on his face. So we can start in the middle here. Just come down, and then we're just gonna come out. So we're going right underneath the eye. And then on this line here, we're just gonna connect it to the corner of the lip. All right. So from here, let's draw in the side of the face. So just gonna draw two lines like this first. Okay, and then we're gonna come down. So just gonna come down where the mouth is, and then we're gonna turn it inward, and then we're gonna close it off. Okay, and then to finish off the lines on his face, so we can just kind of go out. That's where his cheeks are. And then on the bottom here, we're gonna come down from his lower lip, angle it in, close it off, and then from the corner, just go corner to corner. So it's a little robotic. It's almost like kind of reminds me of Colossus and X-Men. Okay, so from here, let's draw his hat. So his hat is gonna have a little corner here. So just draw a little corner here first, slant, and then we got right here, we're just gonna come straight across and just hook it down a little bit. Okay, and then for his hat right here, this is gonna be one line. Just go all the way down, and then we're gonna hook it back up. Okay, so we're gonna go up, but we can start on this side first, probably be easier. Just go up a little bit first. And then this one, we're just gonna go all the way up. And we wanna give just a little bit of curviness to it, because it's supposed to be cloth. And then for the details, let's see, there's gonna be one section here. And it's gonna have two lines here, so we're gonna draw one big one, and then one smaller one. And it's got a little circle thing going on here. Circle, and there's some, I'll just draw three lines like that inside. Just keep it simple. Alright, and let's see, oh, I almost forgot. From the peak here, the brow area, just kind of go straight up. And then his ears just gonna be on the side. So just right around the eye area, just draw a little loop like that. Alright, so it's a really cool looking face. So let's move on to his body. So for the scarf, just gonna slant down, and then we're just gonna go all the way down toward the middle. Okay, and then from there we're gonna let's draw in the body. So around the corner here, we're just gonna go out all the way to his shoulders, and then we're gonna come down and just kind of pinch it in all the way down to his waist. And then we're gonna close that off. And let's draw in those two belts. So we're gonna draw one section, just one long rectangle, and then a smaller rectangle on the bottom. And then the belt detail is pretty much the same as all the other Fortnite characters. So here's the buckle, 2 loops. And then here's the buckle on the bottom, 2 horizontal lines. And then we're gonna draw 2 more loops. Okay, so let's go back up here and let's finish up the scarf. So this is on the inside of the scarf. We can draw one line like this, and then we can draw another line. Just kind of have it go over it, so it looks like it's cloth bunching up. Okay, we can just add little details like that. Okay, and then let's see, it's got one big strap. So from the corner here, we can just kind of draw down all the way across, and then we're going to give this some thickness here, so that's going to be one big strap. And he's got some details, so I'm going to draw in one line and then a little angle right here. So this part's going to be yellow. Okay, and then let's see, he's got 2 straps on the side here, so this one's easy. Let's draw a line here, and this one's under this other strap, so we'll just draw 2 lines like that. Alright, so let's move on to the arm. I know there's some more detail in the clothes, but kind of want to draw the arms first. Alright, so we're going to go out, shoulders. Here's the armpit area, and then we're just going to come out. And it's going to be a little bit more mechanical, so we'll just connect that. Okay, and then for the biceps, curve, curve. And then for the arm, lower arm, curve out, out, back in, close it off, and then a glove, rectangle, and then the thumb going out, back of the hand, fingers folded inward, and he's got those gloves with the open fingers, so we gotta draw that. Okay, and then let's see, the details on the arm is actually really cool, so let's add in right now. So we'll just draw a line like this, and then come to the corner, and then for this one, just kind of draw a little angle like that, and there's gonna be kind of like a bolt. Okay, and then here, just draw 2 lines coming in, and then just go all the way down to the glove. All right, so it's really cool looking. All right, so let's move on to the other arm, and he's gonna be holding, well, this time a different kind of gun. Okay, so come down, armpit area, come all the way across. Bicep, lower arm, so this one's a little bit straighter. Close it off, and then the glove, and then for his hand, so his thumb's gonna come up, hook down. That's his thumb, the palm, and then here's the trigger finger. And then we gotta draw 3 fingers on the bottom here, so we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And let's just go ahead and draw in the grip first. So we're just gonna come out and just hook it back. And then to finish off the palm, so we just connect that. All right, so let's finish up. Let's finish up this arm first. So here's more of the glove, and there's gonna be a little panel there. And then it's got 1 strap, and then we have to draw the little knot here, and then the loose end. So this is cloth, so it's just kind of make it a little bit wavy. So it's gonna be 1 and 2. All right, so let's add the details on his arms again. So come down, just go out to the corner, come down and just kind of hook it back up. And then 2 little screws. Okay, yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, so let's move down to the gun, and I'm giving him a, you know what, let's draw the legs first, because this gun's a little bit crazy. Alright, so for the legs, so it's in the middle. We're gonna come down, and then we're gonna go out and in. So here, continue this curve. Pinch it back in. Knee pads, we can draw in. This is almost gonna be like a square. Okay, so let's draw in the other side now. So same angle, turn it in. Continue this curve. Try to use the other side as a reference. Close it off. Then another square. Okay, and then on the inside, just draw like a tight little rectangle in there. And I'll add more details to it later. Okay, so let's draw in the lower legs first. So the lower leg's gonna be the same. We're just gonna go out and then come in. Close it off. Draw a little rectangle. And then the shoe, the dome shape. Close it off. The sole and a little bit of detail. And then here, just draw an angle like that to finish off this shape. So let's move on to the other one. So it's going to be the same with flaring out. Then we're going to come in. Close it off. Rectangle. Dome shape. Have it come out more on this side. Close it off. So a little bit of detail. And finish up off with this angle again, this little slant. Okay, and then now for the detail here, we can continue this. We just draw 2 lines. And then it's got a yellow line here. So from corner to corner, just draw this. Okay, and then here, from corner to the side there, just draw that. And then up here, just kind of continue this and make a little line like this. Okay, so this part is all gonna be yellow. All right, so corner to corner. Here, let's go down from this corner here, just go all the way down. And then here, we just kind of come up, just kind of follow the angle there. All right, and we'll see that a lot better once we color it in. So let's see, it's got 2 straps here, so this one's easy. Okay, and he's got a little pouch here, so just rectangle and then the flap. And he's got one more flat little pouch here on the side. Same thing, flap. And then let's add in, all right, let's add in the detail on his clove. This one's easy, so we'll just kind of draw one big curve. So it's got 3 stripes. So we just kind of go under, so that's gonna be 1 stripe. And then the other stripe will just be here because we can't see most of it. And then we're gonna draw 1 more, but start here. And then this one's gonna hook up. So we're gonna draw the same angle. I know it might be a little bit tricky here to see all these lines right here. Okay, you kind of keep track of it. All right, so now let's draw the gun, and I'm having him hold the tactical submachine gun, and if you want to make it easier, you can just draw a handgun and things like that. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so for this machine gun, so we're gonna draw 1 line across, and then we're gonna go up with a slant here, and then we're gonna draw 1 big rectangle, and then there's gonna be another big rectangle right here, so a little bit skewed. And then let's draw in the trigger area, so we'll just draw just like a little bracket like this around the thumb, around the finger. And then here, we'll draw in, just extend it, draw a little rectangle. And then here's the magazine, so we're gonna come down and close it off. A little bit of base detail, and then just draw in kind of like two little shapes like that, just for the magazine. And then here, let's come up. We're gonna keep going down. We're gonna keep going down here. We're gonna draw, and it's a little bit strange. Okay, so it's like a little hook shape here. And then on top, we're gonna draw one more line. And then it's gonna be a couple of spikes. Okay, and then for the barrel in here, it's gonna flare out a little bit, close it off. And then there's gonna be one more inside. Close that off. And then a tip. Okay, so for more detailed stuff, you can draw, see my other video, because I actually drew this gun by itself. Okay, so just add some curves there for the holes, and then it's gonna be just two lines. Just draw a little circle in there. All right, and then back here, just draw in that kind of shape first, and then we just kind of give it some thickness. Kind of do that, and it's gonna be a little bulk here, very small detail. And that is it for this very cool looking diecast character in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.